Hello everyone, today let's talk about teeth grinding, also known as bruxism. What is teeth grinding? Imagine your teeth having midnight dance, but it's not smooth. It's like your teeth dancing left, right, which gradually wears off your tooth enamel. It usually operates in silence, but its impact can be profound. It happens due to stress, anxiety, or uneven teeth, and many other factors. But worry not, meet the superhero. It's a protective shield and it acts as a barrier for your teeth, preserving the tooth enamel against night grind.